Hello my friends, how are you and welcome to my channel. We still explain how to use Signal Private Messenger. Today we will learn how to find and get contact on Signal app. Let me show you how can we do that. First click on Signal app icon. After that press on pen icon. There is 3 ways to edit contact or find someone. The first one is searching by name, the second one by number, the third one by clicking on show contact. Let's search by number. Press here and write number. Just press here. You can send a message here like this. Hi. That's all. If this is your first time or watching my videos, please make sure to hit subscribe to get all new videos. Also consider like, share and comment. We will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.